I'm going to show you two ways to factory reset your Roku Ultra LT. All right. So the first way is going through the settings. The second way is using a physical button on the Roku Ultra itself. So first way is here. Go to your settings. Go ahead and click on the home button. Go to the home screen. You want to go down to settings. Settings. You want to go ahead and move over to the right. Now you want to go ahead and move all the way down to system. Right there. Now go ahead and move over to the right. And now we want to go to advanced system settings. Right here. Now go ahead and move over to the right, and there's factory reset. Okay, so if you want to proceed with the factory reset from here, they'll give you a 4-digit code here. What you want to do is just input that number here. Well, my code is 4349, and then go to OK, and then click OK, and then let it perform its factory reset. The whole process will take like 1 minute. Once it's done with the factory reset and it boots back up, you'll be at the beginning process as if you just bought this brand new and took it out of the box, and you have to start off with choosing your language, Wi-Fi, password, and so on. Now, the second way to do a factory reset is simply by using the reset button on the back of your Roku Ultra LT. That's a reset button here, okay? Now, this is how you do this, okay? If you just press it really fast one time, it's only going to restart it. If we want to do a factory reset, what we need to do is press and hold the reset button, okay? So we're going to press and hold and wait till the light here flashes. So here's the reset button. Press and hold. You got to hold for about 5 seconds. I'm still holding here. Just wait till it starts flashing. Still holding here. Or actually, you know what? Just wait until, oh, there it is. It just flashed. Now go ahead and let go. And then give this 1 second. Now it just restarted the TV. Give it 1 second here, and voila. Okay? Questions, issues? Comment below. Good luck.